Hello, YouTubers. My name is Clarence, and here is another um, how to fix it yourself video. It's been a minute since I made one. Figured it was time I get back out. People looking at the channel and asking for more videos. So, without further ado, here comes a new video. This particular video this evening is on locating your battery on a 2018 Cadillac CT6. I bought this car a little while ago, and services, I automatically assumed the battery was under the hood. It wasn't under the hood. I assumed it was under the back seat. It wasn't under the back seat. So there wasn't about one other place that battery could be. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna break away from this video. From filming, beating my gums together, and show you where the battery is at. Okay, hang on. Okay, I'm back, and yes, you guessed it, the battery is located in the trunk. So to get to it, just raise the lid up. And the funny thing about this lid is they made these little hooks right here, right? So when you raise the lid up, you hook the hooks. You hook those hooks right here on this lip, and it keeps it up, okay? And then the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take this spare tire out. Put the cap there and remove the tire. Now, the battery is actually, let's see if I can get you some light to it. The battery is actually right here. This is the battery under this cover. And there's one bolt holding it on, and I'm gonna grab a wrench, loosen it, and give you a view of the battery. Okay, like I said, the battery is here, and you're gonna need a 1/2-inch wrench or a ratchet with an extension on it, and just a 1/2-inch bolt, and it comes out. Okay. Okay, I'm back. So there are two 1/2-inch bolts, and I'm gonna see if I can show you. One goes right here down to the bottom, and then the other one goes on this side right here. What I did was I got a 1/2-inch with a 1/4-inch drive ratchet, or you can use anything you want to get it out. And basically, all you do now is just raise up on it, and there go your battery. That's all to it. This one is pretty clean. And by the way, this bracket here doubles as a tire mount that holds your tire down. And I keep a fire extinguisher in every vehicle. You get them from Walmart for anywhere from 12 to 15 bucks for emergencies on the road. Other than that, that's pretty much how you get to the battery. They got this nice little hook gadget here to hold the lid up. And other than that, that's about it. To locate the battery, how to hold this lid up. And we'll meet you in a second on the other end.